Are HTML and CSS really replacing JavaScript? Look at this header. When I click on service, it opens this beautiful dropdown with a seamless transition. And guess what? We built this with pure HTML and CSS. No JavaScript needed. Let's build it. First, HTML. I write some tags to create the structure of this header, a list with our menu items. For the dropdown, I remove the anchor tag from service and swap it for a button with a class and a span tag for the dropdown arrow. Now, for the dropdown itself, I add another div right below the header's closing tag. Give it an ID service menu, and inside 3 anchor tags with the class dropdown item, and give them names. Now here's the magic. To turn this into a dropdown, I use popper on the service menu. And on the service button, I write popovertarget and give it the same ID service menu. This connects them. Let's check it. It's working. Now let's style it. First, the dropdown icon. Custom made using simple CSS borders rotated at an angle to look like an arrow. And it's looking clean. Now for the dropdown itself. I've styled it a little bit, but to lock it exactly under the button, here's the real trick. I write anchor name service anchor on the button. Think of this like giving the button a nickname. Now, anywhere in my CSS, I can call the button by its name and attach things to it. Next, on the dropdown, position fixed. Then, position anchor, service anchor. This is where we connect the dots. We're telling the dropout, hey, use that button we named earlier as your reference point. Now, top, calc, anchor bottom, plus 8 pixels. In simple words, take the bottom edge of the button and place the dropdown 8 pixels below it. And finally, left, anchor left. This lines up the left edge of the dropdown with the left edge of the button. Let's check it one more time. Click, it opens. Click again, it closes. Seamless. No JavaScript, just HTML and CSS. For the full code, I pushed it on my GitHub, Dark CSS on GitHub. Follow Dark CSS for more tutorials like this.